Alright, language explorers. So let's look at today's commonly confused words. So discrete and discrete. So discrete, individual and separate. That was a discrete choice I made. We made the discrete decisions for ourselves. These discrete ideas came from him. Yeah. Now, discreet, being careful and not over the top or blatant, subtle and private. Subtle and private. We took the discreet choice to leave early. No one needs to know. We got into the car discreetly. So no one saw us. Yeah. We discreetly made our way to the exit. Just quietly. Make sure no one saw us. Just calmly. Yeah. With discretion. Oh, well, discretion. Well, discreetly. Well, they must have left discreetly. No one saw them leave. They just left. Yeah. They were always discreet with their lives. Not over the top, but private and discreet. Not over the top, but private and discreet. Yeah. No one needs to know what we're doing. Yeah. How cool is that? So discreet. He did it by himself. And took the discreet actions needed by himself. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, can you use discreet and discreet in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.